Have you ever wondered how to get started as a stock trader? The world of stock trading can seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, it can be a lucrative venture. It's a journey that involves cultivating a series of skills, gaining necessary knowledge, and employing effective techniques. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the basic principles of the stock market. Familiarize yourself with the different sectors of stocks, the workings of the markets, and the risks involved. Knowledge is power, and in stock trading, it's your most valuable asset. The next step involves continuous education. Immerse yourself in books, videos, and podcasts that cover a wide range of topics, from technical analysis and trading psychology to different trading strategies. You should also decide whether to focus on investing or trading. Trading involves a more active approach, dealing with short-term market movements for quicker profits, but with higher risks. Investing, on the other hand, is more about long-term growth. If you decide trading is what you want, then understanding the key strategies and different chart patterns is another crucial step in your journey. These insights are key to making informed trading decisions. Equipping yourself with the necessary tools for trading is also essential. This includes reliable charting software, stock screeners, and news scanners, which can help you identify trading opportunities. Starting with small trades or paper trading is a good way to practice your strategies. Developing discipline in your trading, sticking to your plan, and managing risks effectively can set you up for success. Consider joining a trading community or mentorship program for guidance and support. Interacting with experienced traders can provide valuable insights and help you improve your trading skills. Always remember that the stock market is dynamic and ever-changing. Stay updated with stock market news and always look for ways to enhance your trading skills and strategies. Now, if you're wondering where to start trading, here are our top 8 platforms to choose. 1. SoFi Invest, which is known for its simple interface and a range of financial services including stocks, options, ETFs, and crypto. 2. Moomoo is a platform that offers a good mobile experience with a user-friendly interface and access to a variety of trading options. 3. Interactive Brokers is a great choice for those interested in a wide range of investments, including global markets. It's known for its advanced tools and extensive research resources. 4. Robinhood is popular for its ease of use and commission-free trading. It offers a streamlined interface that's ideal for beginners. 5. eToro is known for its social trading feature, which allows beginners to follow and copy the trades of experienced investors. 6. Public is a platform that offers a unique social investing experience, allowing users to share insights and strategies with a community of traders. 7. Acorns is ideal for those who want to start with small investments and learn more about how the markets operate. And finally, number 8. Webull is a good choice for active traders, offering advanced charting and analysis tools. Each of these platforms offers unique features and benefits, and it is preferable to open multiple accounts to help you choose the ones that align with your trading style and aspirations. To summarize, starting out as a stock trader involves understanding the basics, continuous learning, deciding your focus, understanding strategies and patterns, equipping yourself with the necessary tools, practicing trading, joining a community, and staying updated. Remember, every successful trader started somewhere, so why not start your journey today? Thanks for watching, everyone. To check out the platforms mentioned, go to the clickable links in the description below. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next one.